As it is said that students, books are your wise friends. So if you want to keep wise friends with you, you must keep books with yourselves. So as it is here behind me, there are a lot of books I have purchased and I have received. I have made my own library. This time I'm going for a review of the book, and this is The Study of Language by George Yule, sixth edition. Sixth edition is in my hand. The newly published edition of this book is the seventh edition, which is available in market as well. But this book is older and it is with me, so I always keep consultation with this book regarding the concepts of linguistics. Whenever I'm teaching to the students, I always recommend them at the very first semester that this book you should always keep in your collection. This book, I must say, written in a very easier and simple language. It's a reader-friendly book, and most of the concepts are explained through pictures. And thus, I must say, students who are studying this book, they must be very clear in the most of the concepts. I must explain every content which are given into this book through my laptop. So let's see what is within this book.
So here is the review of the book, and this is the cover page of the book, The Study of Language, seventh edition. Most of the students who want to purchase this book, you must look at the cover page by George Yule. And let me talk about its. So here is the description of seventh edition, The Study of Language. This best-selling textbook provides an engaging and user-friendly introduction to the study of language, assuming no prior knowledge of the subject. You'll presents information in bit-sized sections, clearly explaining the major concepts in linguistics and all the key elements of language. The seventh edition has been revised and updated throughout with substantial changes to the chapters on phonetics and semantics and 40 new study questions. The increase To increase the student engagement and know to foster problem solving and critical thinking skills, the book includes over 20 new tasks. So this is what something new included in the seventh edition, I must say. So here are the contents of the book I'm going to read, which are essential to learn about this book. The origin of language. Those students who want to grasp or learn about the origin of language to the point in very simple language, this has been explained here. Different theories, and if you look at this, the sounds of language, so phonetics and phonology, the basics of phonetics and phonology are given. Animals and human language, what are the properties of language, which are the very basic questions of language explained here. Number four, the sound patterns of language are been explained. Phonology, phonemes, and the different terms in this subject or topic are given there. Number five, word formation, and word formation is a key topic for the students of linguistics. Which is learned through etymology, borrowing words, compounding, clipping, and conversion. And syntax, of course, is one of the key topics of linguistics. Morphology, again, this is also a subject and a topic as well. Especially in fourth semester, students are mostly taught morphology in linguistics subject. Semantics, grammar is the what is grammar and its terms, language and the brain. Pragmatics, psycholinguistics, we could say, and pragmatics is there. Discourse analysis is explained, first language acquisition. So these are the very basic topics in this. Almost all the topics in linguistics are been covered in this book. Second language acquisition, learning, and number 16, written language, language history and change, gestures and sign languages. So these are and more. regional variation, language and culture is given, social variation in language. So this is all about the book. Here is the preface, I must study, and so many things were explained. If you look at here, the graphics of book are very pretty, attractable to the students or readers. The region of language is given here. So this is how this book is. I must recommend this book to the students of linguistics, that you should have this collection in your library.